Beckett at CEDIA Expo 2025. I'm very excited to be with Jason McGraw, who has basically made this show a reality. So first of all, it's day 2. How are you feeling, Jason?
Fantastic, Steph. We had an awesome day yesterday, and as you can kind of see behind us, big crowds again here on Friday.
Walking everywhere, which is so exciting. Yeah. I cannot stress enough that when I went downstairs to registration yesterday at 9 a.m. and I couldn't even move through, like, the energy has been fantastic.
Yeah, it's great. I mean, we had a big surge of registration in the last couple of weeks leading up to the show, and everybody's turned out. I mean, it's a heck of a community that's come out to Denver this year at the show, so we're really pleased, and the exhibitors are really pleased.
Absolutely. Has there been anything that surprised you so far about the show? Anything that you didn't expect?
Well, great content, new products. We've got a lot of new exhibitors this year. I think the interest in lighting certainly has been a growing trend here at the show. Big increase in micro LED displays here at the show as well, with a number of new exhibitors. 8K technology. We've got more sound rooms and audio demo rooms this year. So it's just more. And I think it just speaks to the growth of the industry, and also the whole home technology integration that many of the integrators and designers are working with their clients on. So it's not just home theater, audio, video. It's the whole package of technologies in the home.
Do you think that the residential industry is starting to have more of a holistic approach and idea of AV and what all goes into that? Kind of like what you're saying, it's so much more than just speakers and a speaker bar and an amp and a display. Like, there is so much that goes into all of what AV can be in the home, starting from the lighting.
Well, it's definitely about the consumer's experience, right? And people want convenience, they want ease of use, they want entertainment, they want comfort. And so when you're looking at it holistically, energy management and sustainability is a growing trend. So some of these areas, were not as important in the past than they are today. And I think today's integrators need to really be responsive to their clients with offering a variety of solutions and then tying them all together.
And this year as well, we're seeing a lot of what are technically like residential exhibitors bring a lot of their pro stuff, and pro exhibitors bring a lot of their residential stuff. We're seeing a lot of exhibitors talk about how their products can really be used for both. Are you seeing that continue to expand in terms of a trend?
Well, definitely. We've seen an increasing number as we've been surveying attendees here at the show. Residential system integrators that are doing light commercial projects. When you think about smart buildings, mixed use, MDUs, hospitality, retail, there's a lot of crossover of the technologies from an application perspective, and residential integrators are taking commercial projects on in their local regions and their client bases. At the same time, we're seeing a lot of heretofore commercial technologies that are finding their way into the homes. And so, we're just really trying to reflect what's going on in the industry for the attendees here to get, a holistic view. I'm using that word a lot, holistic. But, it's a great experience here, and I think the show really does kind of reflect the kind of state of play today. And, we're trying to look at the future. Where are the growing opportunities for the members of CEDIA and the system integrators here, members of all the different buyers groups in the industry. And this really is a trade event. It's a great opportunity for the manufacturers, the reps, the distributors, working with the integrators together, where they can pass on information, best practices, a lot of training and education opportunities here at the show as well.
Let's talk about the training and education for a bit. I know that the big education day was September 3rd, so before the show started, but there are a lot of CEDIA course education. What are some of the popular courses that people took this year?
Well, CEDIA had an all-new 100-session program this year. We have 115 manufacturer product training sessions from leading brands. Our Smart Stage, we have a lot of thought leadership topics. We mentioned lighting, cybersecurity, AI, working with designers. Big trend at the show here, and you may have seen the news about the town hall with Daryl Friedman and Bill Darcy from NKBA. They have a new research project or survey they put out looking at the business opportunities where integrators can collaborate with designers and architects and builders to, as we discussed, getting that information to their clients to get the best solutions to them. So, design build. We see a lot of products here on the show floor. It's architectural lighting. It's design forward, and so we're seeing a lot more of that here at the show. And again, it's really looking at where are the next opportunities to grow the business for everybody in the industry.
Yeah. What do you think we can expect from next year's show based on what we've seen here this week?
Well, certainly a continuation of some of these trends that we've talked about. We're back in Denver next year, and then the show will rotate. We're going to be in different cities moving forward in 27. We'll announce those later this fall. But we want to bring the show around. Historically, the show rotated. We've been here for a number of years. Denver's been a great host city for the show. It's been fantastic again this year. But we've listened to exhibitors and attendees say, hey, it'd be great to have it in a different city. So we're going to look at that. We will come back to Denver in the future because it is a great convention destination. But we're going to continue to look at how do we bring in new exhibitors, startups, and in some of these new technology areas, whether it is about energy, about AI. We're going to continue to look at that. And we're excited about the show. I mean, as I said, this is a mirror of what's going on in the industry. And the industry keeps expanding with new components, new technologies, and we want to continue to reflect that.
Absolutely. Well, Jason, last question I have for you. Where can people find more information on CEDIA Expo?
CEDIAExpo.com, and you'll find out information about both CEDIA Expo and Commercial Integrator Expo, our floor plan. You can download the mobile app, and that'll help you find sessions, exhibitors, the show floor. And, new this year, we have our grip matchmaking app. It's part of that, and so the exhibitors are using that also for lead retrieval and collecting information and making appointments together. So, we're really trying to elevate the experience for everyone here at the event, and from all the appearances, it looks like everybody's had a great time this year. So we hope to see you next year.
Sounds good. And don't forget, from our side as well, you can go to ravepubs.com/CEDIA Expo. I am uploading videos as quickly as I can, and all of our content for the rest of the show is there as well. So thank you so much, Jason, and thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.